Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where green dreams grow and nature finds its home. Imagine transforming your home into a tropical paradise with one elegant vine, the Monstera deliciosa, nature's living art. The Monstera deliciosa, commonly known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a tropical climbing vine celebrated for its striking, fenestrated leaves and its to transform indoor spaces with lush greenery. For many beginner plant enthusiasts in the United States, the Monstera is not only visually captivating but also relatively manageable if approached with informed care. Understanding its natural habitat is crucial. This plant hails from the tropical forests of Central and South America, where it climbs trees to reach dappled sunlight, experiences high humidity, and enjoys nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Recreating these conditions indoors ensures healthy growth, vibrant foliage, and resilience against common problems. Light plays a pivotal role in the development of Monstera deliciosa. While these plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight, direct exposure can scorch their delicate leaves, leading to brown tips and damaged fenestrations. Placing the plant near an east-facing window, or a few feet away from a south-facing window, typically provides ideal light intensity. In spaces with limited natural light, supplementing with a full-spectrum grow light for 8 to 10 hours a day ensures that the Monstera maintains its growth rate and develops characteristic leaf splits. Understanding the photoperiodic needs of the plant is essential, as insufficient light slows leaf expansion and may result in smaller, deformed foliage. Temperature stability is equally critical. The Monstera thrives in environments between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius, can stress the plant, slow growth, and increase susceptibility to pests. Consistent temperature and avoidance of cold drafts from air conditioners or heaters promote optimal growth. Monitoring humidity levels is also important. These tropical plants prefer relative humidity of 60 to 80%. While average indoor humidity may be lower, placing the Monstera on a humidity tray, using a room humidifier, or misting the leaves lightly helps replicate the natural tropical conditions. Humidity not only prevents leaf curling and brown edges, but also supports the plant's aerial roots in absorbing moisture from the environment. Watering is a cornerstone of Monstera care and must be tailored to both seasonal growth patterns and indoor conditions. The general rule is to water thoroughly when the top 1 to 2 inches of soil are dry, ensuring excess water drains freely to prevent root rot. During active growth periods in spring and summer, more frequent watering is necessary, whereas in winter, the plant's water requirements decrease. Using room temperature, filtered, or rainwater reduces the risk of mineral buildup in the soil, which can affect nutrient uptake. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes among beginners. Consistently soggy soil encourages fungal growth and root decay. Conversely, underwatering may cause leaf drooping, yellowing, and slowed growth. Proper drainage in a pot with drainage holes is indispensable to maintaining a healthy root system. The soil mix for Monstera deliciosa should replicate the light, airy, and nutrient-rich forest floor of its native habitat. A combination of high-quality potting soil, peat moss, perlite, and orchid bark provides optimal aeration, drainage, and nutrient retention. The addition of orchid bark or coarse materials prevents soil compaction and allows the aerial roots to anchor securely, mimicking natural climbing conditions. Repotting every 18 to 24 months accommodates root expansion and prevents the plant from becoming root-bound. When repotting, gently tease out the roots to encourage outward growth and remove any dead or decaying portions. Fertilizing is an essential aspect of ensuring robust growth. During the growing season, from spring through early autumn, applying a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks nourishes the Monstera with essential macronutrients such as nitrogen for leaf growth, phosphorus for root development, and potassium for overall health. Organic options, like diluted fish emulsion or compost tea, are also effective and promote soil microbial life. Fertilizing should be reduced or suspended in winter, as the plant's growth slows naturally during cooler, lower light months. Over-fertilization can lead to leaf burn or unnatural growth patterns, so precise measurement and application are crucial. Pruning and training are important for maintaining a visually appealing shape and encouraging vigorous growth. Regularly removing yellowing or damaged leaves preserves energy for new growth. The Monstera is a climbing plant. Providing a moss pole or trellis allows the vine to attach its aerial roots and grow upward, developing larger, fenestrated leaves. Pruning can also help control size and shape, especially in indoor environments where space may be limited. Using sterilized, sharp pruning shears prevents infection and promotes clean cuts that heal efficiently. Additionally, training the plant by gently tying stems to a support structure encourages controlled vertical growth and healthier foliage. Monstera deliciosa is generally resilient, but can encounter common problems that beginners should be prepared to address. Brown leaf tips often indicate low humidity, inconsistent watering, or over-fertilization. Yellow leaves may result from overwatering, nutrient deficiency, or insufficient light. Pests such as spider mites, mealybugs, and scale insects are occasional intruders. Addressing infestations early with insecticidal soap or neem oil is highly effective. Root rot caused by waterlogged soil requires immediate action. Removing affected roots, repotting in fresh soil, and adjusting watering habits are essential steps to recovery. Monitoring the plant regularly, observing changes in leaf color, texture, and growth patterns enables timely intervention and prevention of chronic issues. Propagation of Monstera deliciosa is an accessible way to expand your collection or share with friends. Stem cuttings containing at least one node and an aerial root are ideal. Placing cuttings in water or a well-draining potting medium encourages root development. In water propagation, ensure the node is submerged while leaves remain above water to prevent rot. Changing the water every few days maintains oxygenation and cleanliness. Once roots reach a few inches in length, the cutting can be transplanted into soil. This propagation process also serves as an opportunity to inspect plant health, remove damaged portions, and rejuvenate older stems. Indoor placement should balance aesthetics with the plant's physiological needs. Avoid cold or drafty corners and direct exposure to harsh sunlight. Rotating the plant periodically ensures even light distribution and symmetrical leaf growth. Incorporating the Monstera into living rooms, home offices, or bedrooms enhances visual appeal while improving air quality. Its large leaves naturally filter air, and the plant's vibrant greenery has been associated with stress reduction and a calming atmosphere. Combining functionality and beauty makes the Monstera a popular choice for U.S. households seeking both style and well-being. Regular observation is key to long-term success. Checking for pests, monitoring soil moisture, observing leaf development, and adjusting care routines according to seasonal changes ensure that the plant continues to thrive. Patience is essential. The Monstera may grow slowly during the first year of acclimatization, but will reward careful attention with lush foliage, larger leaves, and a striking architectural presence. The plant's fenestrations, which develop as it matures, are a hallmark of a healthy, thriving Monstera and indicate optimal environmental conditions. In conclusion, growing Monstera deliciosa, Swiss cheese plant, is a journey that combines careful observation, attention to environmental factors, and consistent maintenance. By understanding the plant's light, temperature, humidity, watering, soil, fertilizing, pruning, and propagation needs, beginners can cultivate a thriving, visually stunning indoor tropical vine. The Monstera not only enhances living spaces aesthetically, but also offers therapeutic benefits through its connection to nature and greenery. Its adaptability and resilience make it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts alike. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.